Let us look at activity 2. Question number 1. In the school meals, 800 gram of rice per meal is issued for every 4 students. If the school has 200 boarding students, how much rice should be issued for one meal? So here, what we see is we have a ratio of rice in gram to number of students. So this ratio, we see that if there are 800 gram of rice is given for 4 students. Now, in the second term, what is missing? For 200 boarding students, we have to find how much gram of rice is given. So how much gram of rice is given if there are 200 students? Here, we can see the scale factor 4 times 50 is 200. Therefore, 800 times 50 is how much rice they have to be issued. So we see that 800 times 50 is same like multiplying 8 times 5, that is 40, and we add 3 zeros. 0, 0, 0. So that is 40,000 gram. So you can write it 40,000. And what we are asked, how much rice should be issued for one meal for if the school has 200 boarding students. So 40,000 gram of rice should be issued. For one meal. The second question, Tamang restaurant sells momo and samosa. They sell 9 plates of momo for every 3 plates of samosa they sell. How many plates of momo can they sell when 7 plates of samosa is sold? Here the ratio is between momo and samosa. And the ratio is 9 plates of momo for 3 plates of samosa. And we want to find if 7 plates of samosa is sold, how many plates of momo can be sold. So here what we see is we cannot have a scale factor from 3 to 7. So we can use a unitary method or unit ratio. For 9 plates of momo, 3 plates of samosa is sold. First let us find for 1 plate of samosa how much momo is sold. Then using that we'll find out for 7 plates of samosa how much momo is sold. So we see that from 3 to 1 we can go using the scale factor divide by 3, and 1 to 7 we can go using the scale factor times 7. Similarly, we can say 9 can be divided by 3. Again, that is for 1 plate of samosa they sell 3 plates of momo. Now for using that unit ratio we can multiply by 7 and we will find now 21. Therefore, for 7 plates of samosa they will be selling 21 plates of momo. Answer How many plates of momo can they sell when 7 plates of samosa is sold? They can sell 21 plates of momo when they sell 7 plates of samosa. Number 3. Let us go it part by part. Kinchap planted 5 seedlings for every 3 seedlings Sithar planted. Sithar planted 90 seedlings in 1 hour. Number A. How many seedlings did Kinchap plant in 1 hour? Here, 1 hour is same time, so there is no need to change it. The ratio that we need to compare here is Kanchap to Sithar. And Kanchap plant 5 seedlings for every 3 seedlings Sithar plant. If Sithar planted 90 seedlings, that means denominator is 90. How much seedlings does Kanchap plant? Here, 3 times 30 is 90. Therefore, using the same scale factor, 5 times 30 is 150. Answer. Kanchap plant 150 seedlings in 1 hour. Question number 3 again, part B. How long did it take Sithar to plant 30 seedlings? For Sithar to plant 90 seedlings, it took 1 hour. Now, for same Sithar to plant 30 seedlings, how long does it take? Here, now the comparison is between the number of seedlings and time, not Kanchap to Sithar. Here, the ratio is between number of seedlings planted by Sithar to time. So Sithar planted 90 seedlings in 1 hour. We want to find for 30 seedlings how many hours. Since it is less, so what we can do is it will take less than 1 hour. So we can divide that 1 hour into minutes. So let us say 90 seedlings in 60 minutes. Now we are converting 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 90 seedlings in 60 minutes. To plant 30 seedlings, how many minutes is needed? 90 divided by 3 is 30. Therefore, 60 divided by 3 is 20. Answer. Sithar took 20 minutes to plant 30 seedlings. Number C. How long did it take Kanchap to plant 30 seedlings? Now, from the first part, number A, we see that Kanchap planted 150 seedlings in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, he planted 150 seedlings. Similar to part B, number of seedlings planted by Kanchap over time, and we'll use this in minute. So Kanchap planted 150 seedlings in 1 hour or 60 minutes. Now we want to find out, to plant 30 seedlings, how much time is needed. 150 to 30 is divided by 5, and using the same scale factor, divide by 5. So we know that 5 times 12 is 60. Therefore, we need 12 minutes. Therefore, Kachap took 12 minutes plant 30 seedlings. So what we can observe here is, when you are writing a proportions, the ratio terms always remain same. Here the terms are number of seedlings planted by Kachap in the numerator and time in minutes in denominator. So in the first we have number of seedlings and time in denominator. Even in the second term we have number of seedlings in the numerator and time in the denominator. Thank you.